to get bangs. Thank goodness best friends exist. My hair is saved. Buddy, I know an awesome life hack. See those girls? They're cute. This is our chance to run an experiment. Look! Put your camera on and hide the phone in your back pocket. All girls check out guys' butts. And we are about to prove it. Watch! Ashley, do you see that? There you go. I told you. My lipstick is smudged. Is there anything stuck in my teeth? Hey, girls! We gotta go. They ran away. Let's see. Fine. The experiment failed. Penny sent me some new pictures. Look how beautiful she is.
Wow!
I'm really lucky. The girls are waiting. Let's go. Catch. Your turn. Got it. Look, they are just like these cute piggies. Trace a picture inside a clear case using a permanent marker. Color it in with acrylic paint. Coat the picture with paint. Oh, boys! Hi! Ashley! Penny! I hope you were having fun! We are finally at home! We are just in time for our favorite TV show! Make a pizza crust out of polymer clay. Add tomato sauce using red nail polish. Shape pizza ingredients: mushrooms, peppers, olives. Put salami on 1/2. Divide it into 2 parts, veggie and meat. Put in eye pins. Bake following the instructions. Add cheese with yellow acrylic paint. Put in a chain. Our magical pendant! Pizza power! There we go! Now we can enjoy a pizza and a TV show. How could he do this? He broke up with me on our anniversary! Ashley's in trouble. Bestie is coming to the rescue. My superhero cape. Ashley is here to help. Lie down. How could he do this to me? I'm gonna wrap you up. There you go. Good girl. Here's your tea. And forget about that loser. Penny, why? Have some tea. Feeling better? Thank you. Here's your dinner. Bon appetit, my fishy. I'll be back. Have fun. Here I am. Fish, where are you? It ran away and took all its stuff. Is this a note? I can't do this anymore. This is horrible. My boyfriend dumped me, and even my fish ran out on me. Ashley, what happened? Everyone abandoned me, even my fish. Don't worry. Here you go. These are fish earrings. That's so cute. Pour glycerin in a little Ziploc bag. Put a plastic fish in it. Wrap a wire around it. Cut off the top of the bag. Add an earring hook. These fish won't run away from you for sure. Thanks, Penny. I want some special nails, like the ones you have. Oh yeah, I like them too. Please, keep going. My nails are as gorgeous as I am. Oh yeah, Ashley, we are besties, in case you couldn't tell. And we need the best nails. Oh, you are gonna get the best nails for 2 best friends. Here you go. Whoa, best friends. This is awesome. Thank you. Really? New nails are the best cure for a broken heart. Oh yeah? For sure. Especially if they are pink. Girls, do you have any idea what time it is? It's dark outside. Time to go to sleep. Daddy, can Ashley stay for a sleepover? No, you'll never fall asleep. Ashley, I have an idea. Sweet dreams, Penny. Good night, Dad. So, did it work? It did! Phew! It's hot in here! Falling asleep with a warm little creature near you feels so nice! Sweet dreams, Fluffy! Too bad a nap wasn't part of Fluffy's plan. What? Where's my cat? He ran away! Even my cat dumped me! Hello, Ashley! I'm so miserable! Penny, I'm here! What happened? My cat ran away, and I can't sleep alone! My life is pathetic! Don't worry, bestie! I'm here for you! Close your eyes and sleep! Once upon a time, there was a princess named Penny. Penny, I'm crazy in love with you! Give me a kiss! Just one! No! On the cheek? No! Levi! Oh, Levi! Penny! Penny! Wake up! Huh? What? Where's Levi? It was just a dream! Why am I so miserable? This is for you, a dream catcher! Take 2 different rings. Wrap a thick white thread around it, creating a pattern. Add satin ribbons to the bottom of the outer circle and zigzag ribbon. Decorate with feathers. Add beads on a fishing line. Fasten decorative clothespins on the thread. It's Levi, my love! I hope I see him in my dream again. You will. Hey, girls, wake up! Somebody tell me why I'm here! It's Levi! The dream catcher got him! What do I want? Some soda and candy! Hi, Penny! Ashley! Did you go to the store looking like a mess again? Is this paper hypoallergenic? I don't know. Miss, is this paper hypoallergenic? Pants! Kids these days! Ashley, save me! Hang on! My super belt is always with me! Connect 2 different belts with snap fasteners. My pants are safe! And so is your reputation! Thanks! You were lucky I was here for you! Ashley, what's taking so long? I'm starving! Oh, I love it! I'll get this, and this, and this too! Thanks! Oh, Penny, you are such a foodie! I'll hide the bag in the closet. Oh, there's a ton of bags here! Fine, I'll put the bags in a bag. Ashley, what are all these bags for? This isn't eco-friendly. That's terrible! Here, take this shopping bag. You can go shopping with it.
Wow!
Fold tulle twice. Cut out a bag using a template. And a pocket. Sew the bag. Whoa! Thanks, Penny! It's so stylish! Let's do a photo shoot with the new bag. Smile! Great! And now you can buy more candy. I got dumped. I want a short haircut. Like this? No. This? No. Like that? No. Let's just trim the ends. You just said you wanted a short haircut. Enough talking. You wanted a new life with a new haircut. So here you go. Oh, my tights. Penny, what do I do? I have a spare pair. But they are red. I'm already wearing all red anyway. I have an idea! Here are some tights. Put them on. How much longer? Oh, I'm gonna change too. Here's the most important part. Are you sure? Let's do it! Penny, this is amazing! Yeah! This is what friends are for! Did you like our video? Then comment below what you liked the most. A dream catcher, fish earrings, or a pizza necklace? And don't forget to give this video a like. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.